The signs are there if you know how to look. The tremors.
A micro-anomaly. A tiny discrepancy in the order book.
A microsecond delay. The signature of a backdoor test. Hardware stress. The system is struggling to hide the breach.
Unusual concentration. The predator is positioning. Searching for the signal in the noise. The investigation begins.
Small delays mean big risks. The tremor is growing.
Identifying the epicenter, where the 0 day will strike.
Pattern identified.
The footprints are visible. The ghost leaves a trail. Sifting through the evidence. Finding the vector.
The first warning. Too late for many, but not for you.
The tremor becomes a shock wave. The market reacts.
The value is being siphoned. The tremor is now a crash. The blackout of trust. The tremors were the warning. The cost of complacency. We didn't listen to the math.
Warning ignored.
Real-world consequences. The tremors led to ruin. The human impact of a 0 day event.
System failure confirmed.
The endgame of the exploit.
Total market shutdown.
A world altered by a hidden flaw. The start of the recovery. The shield awakens, neutralizing the tremor. Finding the fix. Searching for the light in the 0 day dark. Sentinel shield active.
Protection is here. The ghost is being hunted.
Auditing the market for hidden tremors.
Restoring integrity. One signal at a time. Healing the system from the inside.
Closing the window. The exploiter is locked out.
Vulnerability patched.
The return of the informed investor. Confidence reclaimed through vigilance. Wealth protected by the Sentinel. The tremors have stopped. The foundation is solid. All systems integrity verified. A new morning of secure trading. Your shield in the 0 day war. Building the unhackable future.
Vigilance is alpha. Stay sharp. Stay safe. Stay Sentinel.
Precision protection for your assets.
The world of TradingMaster AI. For a fairer future. For everyone.
Unmask the ghost. Own your destiny.
Join the movement.
The start of the clean market. Enter the resilience era. Trade with proof. Trade with power. The harbor of secure alpha. Welcome home.
The universe of intelligence.
Phase 5. Sentinel anomaly detection.